So guys, we're starting with in Inkscape. We have this rectangle, and the size of this is 3840 2160, and you might adjust your document size and things if we press Control Shift D, I guess. Yeah, in Windows. So we have width 45 and 56, and display units pixel anyway. So these are two same objects but a smaller version, so two clouds. And yeah, so just go ahead now. We press Ctrl A to select everything, and we come up under export and as plain SVG, and let me choose the destination. Okay, fine. Here we will first change the type to plain SVG, and then we will go, we can name floating cloud. Sorry, I'm not showing you guys how to create the cloud icons, but anyway, the main purpose is to show you the friction thing. So now let me come into friction, and in friction, the under scene properties, make sure 3840 2160, the same dimension as the design we just exported, and we are going FPS 60, and we will make it 900, so it's 15 seconds. And here make sure that this value is 0, so we have the alpha open, and come down, hit OK. Now press Ctrl I to grab the design. We'll scroll down, and there we go. You'll select that, come down, hit open. Now let me select this first, so we'll go with this, expand, and expand transform. So in this case we are going to use JavaScript expressions, so it's not like it's not like a linear move, and we will have a dynamic movement, so it's kind of walking and lingering, so trying to like replicate the actual clouds moving. So we'll do that with JS expression. I have JS expressions already produced by AI, and I have used in my own projects. I will share that with you today. So let me right click on the X value here and go set expression, and we will come under editor. Here we will go f equal $frame. We are putting the every current frame into the variable of f. This is how our expression is made. So in expression we used f as the variable for the current frame. Anyway, now let me come into our browser. So here we have the expression. Let me scroll down all the way to grab the expression, and no worries, I will share the expression with you guys in the video description. You can use that. So this is the entire expression. We will copy this and Control C, and by the way, it's made for friction graphics, not After Effects. So if you are with friction graphics, this is for you. Okay, so now remember the duration is 900, the same as the scene duration, the 900 frames. Start frame is 0. Distance we are going 3600 for this. Okay. And we scroll down, wander amount 0.05, that would be fine. And here basically what we will do, we will go 0 point, I think 0.5, we will go 0.5, and the rest will be fine, guys. And seed here we will change this to 1. Okay, I think that's it, the rest is fine. And we come down and we hit OK here. Alright, and when the cloud is moving horizontally, it will also go a little bit up and down, but that's not robotically, it will go naturally. So there will be a natural, like, going up and down a little bit. I don't know if in the real life clouds go up and down, I don't know, but we will do here. For that we will have another expression. I am all about expressions, guys. If you follow this YouTube channel, it's all about expression. If you are not happy with expression, then this might be not the place for you. The same way, we will go f equal dollar frame, and we will have another expression for this, which I have here saved, and I have used that expression already in the couple of videos. Let me see. Okay, I think this one, random values, excuse the cows, guys, outside. I think this is the one, random values. There we go, not return value. I think this much. Is it this? Oh, sorry, not that, but these random values with interpolation, right? Random value with interpolation, I think this one. So let's go all the way. Look at the length of this expression, guys. Oh boy, it just keeps going. Excuse the cow again. Okay, so let me go down, and we will come here and go Control V and scroll up all the way. Our start frame is 0 and our duration is 900, and interval is 60. Just make sure, I think is, hold on, I think the 900 is not divisible by 60, right? I don't know, but we will go 90. So interval means like how many, after how many frames it will change, it will start again for the next movement, something like that. I don't know, but seat will be like on here, fine. And the amount of the distance that it will go up and down, so let's say up it will go not much, how about 35, and down the deviation, yeah, 35. So in total then 70. So max difference we will put 70, and mean difference will be 5, and start value, end value, both of them 0. It will start at 0, end at 0. That's fine, but you can have your specific values here. I'm not going to like explain these things for that much, because the video will go long. but come down and hit. Okay, there you go. So this is the one, and let me just grab it. Sorry, the X on here. So grab this X, Control A, Control C, hit OK, and we'll come here for the smaller on. Right click X, go set expression. Under editor, go FEQ dollar frame, and into this field Control V. Now the one thing just we will change, not just on but two. Seed will be true. Seed means unique behavior. So we are changing, we are having a different seed here, that because the behavior of the smaller cloud will be different than the larger on. So it's for uniqueness, so the naturalness, right? And here vendor scale, so the more lower you go, it will look more smooth, like constant going, like linear way. The more higher you, the higher you go with this value, that will be like going robotically jumping, or a little bit um, crazy movement, I don't know. So I used 5 there, and here we will use 4. I think that's it, and everything else is fine. And now remember here, so the this cloud will go, since this is the closer to us, and this is not that much closer, it's a little bit beyond. So this cloud is behind this, and that's because I think it's a little bit from our perspective it's a little bit smaller. That's why what we will do, the amount of distance it will has to go, that will be a bit lower. How about if we go like I don't know, 331, so 500 less, if that makes sense. So now let's go. I think that's it. So we'll just come down now and hit again. Now we will collapse and come here, grab the Y, set expression, under editor, into this field, Control A, Control C, come down or come up, hitting cross there, and expanding the top one. Now right click and go set expression, as well as FEQ dollar frame, and into this field Control V. And one thing we will change, only one thing for this, and that would be the seed itself, just the seed. Okay, so now what we will do, let me collapse. Now we will position these two, and I don't know if you can do this way, but what I will do, I will group this, right? I will group this. We'll press control G on this, and also on this control G, so both of them are there. And now selecting this, we will let's say position it there. And the other thing, guys, we are going to make it loopable. That means the initial position, the scene at the 0 frame and the scene at the 900th frame will be exactly the same. So if you after rendering the video, if you just put the video a couple of times, like side by side, there will be a loop situation. So this is another plus point. Let me put it there, and let me put it here I think. You can go a little bit further up, and it's a bit, I think, I don't know, I think I'm happy. So now to make it loopable, guys, for this we expand transform. It will go 3600, right? So our simple calculation is we will put it left by 30 30 3600. Okay, for that, what you will do, let me grab the calculator real quick. So the positive value there already is 60.335. Okay, and the negative value we will put 3600. Okay, go hit equal, and we will grab this value, and we come here. You know what, guys, not onto this, but and other thing is this will go up. Why? Because since it has lower distance to go, at some point it might kind of go over it, going faster. So when it is going over it, we have a black stroke, so we should see that this is over the other one. If this one is over this one, that is, I wouldn't like that. That's not realistic. That's why make sure these larger ones are uh, at the top in the, in the list here. So anyway, we will duplicate this by pressing Ctrl D, and we will do that value here, and we will get rid of the comma and then hit enter. I think you cannot see that. I think it's somewhere there. That's fine. Now collapse, and this group, press Ctrl D and put it there. Okay, now for this expand transform, we can have that, and let me come here. We go CE and type in the value on 99.106, and then minus that would be 30 on 100, and go equal, and grab this value, Control C, coming here, Control V, go left and get rid of comma, hit enter, as you can see there. Now press Ctrl S, that's it. We can preview SVG, we can hit preview SVG. Let's go. We'll see. Look at the naturalness, guys. You see? You see the looping situation? It can go forever. You can never tell that it's where it's starting and where it is ending. You can never tell that. So that was the little trick for the um, you know for the I'm gonna leave it there, or I don't know, maybe, yeah, let me just come here. Now it's time to render. You can render it in alpha. So for alpha, but before that, here as you can see, frame range is 0 to 600. We will make sure that's 0 to 900 to, align our, and here this is the format is mp4. We can go mp4, which I will go mp4 to see you, to show you, sorry, but normally I go ProRes video, which is alpha, I mean with transparent background. For that, what I would do, this under this layer, so this is our background, I would go 0 there, and then I would from profile we would choose ProRes video. But since we are going mp4 now, we'll get it back to 1 with mp4. Now we will hit render. Okay, and I will show you the end result when the render is complete. So one thing we need to do is we need to check this box off and scroll down, and we will hit render, and we can hit render. Alright guys, it's done. Now we can hit that little play button to see the result. So this is our result. Look at these guys. Thank you so much.